Michelle here from StrawBearie, and today is my birthday, and today is day 2 working on the house Muck Out that I started yesterday. I'm the team lead today. We're trying to just finish up, get the rest of the little pieces of drywall out, take out all the nails and everything, and do a final cleanup before they come in and do a shock on it so that it won't mold. It's a busy place around here. This whole street was underwater, and every house has people working at it. We're so blessed by all the groups that have come out to help serve and to help clean. And let's see if you can see this. See down there? We actually got a porta potty today, and there's a hand washing station on the other side of that. Oh, it's the little things that make you so excited. Anyway, let me show you a little bit of what's happening today. We've got this big dump truck that's being a trash truck. There's the other porta potty and hand washing station. We've got heavy equipment bringing out stuff and taking out the trash. And yeah, if you didn't see the video from yesterday, that red house over here, yeah, that red house used to be in this lot, and it floated down there. And I heard that the family was actually in the house as it floated down. They are all okay, but how scary would that be? And then one of the volunteers working with me today, she said, you know, I'd rather be floating in the house than the house filling up with water and being trapped. Because I know one of the people had to be rescued from their attic, and they had punched a hole in the attic wall. A lot of things happening. Oh, look, somebody's donating some bins, and they're bringing some bins and stuff. There's a pile there where people are just bringing donations, and anybody can help themselves. All kinds of things there. Like I said, it is just, okay, we're going to go load of trash. Busy, and I should probably go get back to work too. Anyway, last year for my birthday, I actually celebrated with children in Ecuador doing a vacation Bible school, and about 150 kids sang happy birthday to me in Spanish. That was so sweet, and I'm blessed to be able to do this and to help others. We have finished mucking out this house. I hope that this house is actually repairable. I'm not for sure that it will be. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but there was so much damage. It's so sad. I broke down today. I don't think I've really broken down like that since this started. I guess just being overwhelmed by everything. And only good thing is a lot of people couldn't tell you're crying because you're sweating so much and your face is red because it's so hot. So they hardly even notice when you're crying, but you know, it's a hard thing. And I may look like I'm happy and cheery all the time when you're watching these videos. And don't get me wrong, I am so happy to be able to be here and to serve, and I feel so blessed and so fortunate that I have that opportunity to help others. But it can get to you, it really can. And sometimes, and you just kind of not have to think about some of the other people that lost their lives, to be able to keep going and to put that kind of at the back of your mind so that you can function and do the work. I know when I was talking to my homeowner yesterday, she had to get back to work so that she had something else to think about, something else to focus on, and besides just the loss of everything she owns. And yeah, it's pretty sad. I hope that you've enjoyed watching these videos, and hope that if you like maybe crafting videos or how to pack shoeboxes for Operation Christmas Child, that you'll hit that subscribe button, because that's what I normally do on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Toodles.